Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Have you ever seen your Vizio TV say, connected to Wi-Fi, but no internet, even though everything else in your home works fine? This issue is more common than you think, and today, we'll walk through simple, proven solutions to fix it permanently. Stay tuned till the end, because the last method often resolves the problem instantly. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. Let's begin with the simplest and most effective step, a full restart. Unplug your Vizio TV and Wi-Fi router from the power outlet completely. Wait for at least 60 seconds. This short break allows both devices to fully discharge power and clear out temporary memory caches. During this time, you can also check your router's indicator lights to make sure it's functioning properly once plugged back in. After the minute is up, reconnect both devices to power and allow them to boot up naturally. Once both are online, your TV will attempt to reconnect to the network. This quick reboot can often fix temporary IP conflicts, slow network responses, or connection stalls that block internet access even when Wi-Fi appears connected. When both devices are back online, open a streaming app or test YouTube on your TV to confirm the internet is working properly. Step 2. Check your network connection settings. If the problem continues, go to Menu Network Connection Test Connection on your Vizio TV. This built-in test checks whether your TV can reach your router and access the internet. If it fails or shows limited connectivity, select Forget Network and reconnect manually by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Doing this clears out any old or corrupted credentials stored on your TV. Also, make sure you're connecting to the strongest signal, 2.4 GHz for longer range or 5 GHz for faster performance if your router supports it. For even better results, keep your router close to the TV and avoid signal interference from walls or other electronics. After reconnecting, run the connection test once again to verify a stable link. Step 3. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can silently cause your internet connection to fail, even when everything else seems fine. To fix this, navigate to Menu System Check for updates. If an update is available, allow your TV to download and install it automatically. Don't power off the device during this process. Firmware updates often include critical bug fixes, new drivers, and Wi-Fi stability improvements released by Vizio to solve known issues. Once the installation is complete, restart your TV. After rebooting, check your internet connection again. In many cases, this update step alone resolves connectivity errors that previous troubleshooting couldn't fix. Step 4. Change DNS settings. If your TV still connects to Wi-Fi but not the internet, the issue might be with your DNS server. DNS is what translates web addresses into IP addresses, and sometimes your internet service provider's DNS servers are unstable. To fix this, go to Menu Network Manual Setup DNS Settings and manually enter these values. Primary DNS, 8.8.8.8 Secondary DNS, 8.8.4.4 These are Google's public DNS servers, well known for their reliability and fast response times. Save the settings and reconnect your Wi-Fi. This small change often eliminates slow or failed connections caused by poor DNS routing. Once done, try opening any app or run the connection test again. You'll likely see the internet status switch to connected. Step 5. Factory reset your Vizio TV. If you've tried everything and your TV still won't connect to the internet, it's time for a factory reset, the ultimate fix. Go to Menu System Reset and Admin Reset TV to Factory Defaults. This will erase all custom settings, Wi-Fi networks, and apps, but it completely removes software bugs or internal configuration errors blocking the connection. Once your TV restarts, follow the setup process from the beginning. Reconnect your Wi-Fi, sign into your streaming apps, and perform one more firmware update for best performance. Most users find that this final step permanently fixes the connected but no internet issue. It's a fresh start for your Vizio TV and ensures your system software and network configuration are perfectly aligned. Now your Vizio TV should be connected to the internet successfully. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others facing the same problem. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tech fixes for your smart TV.